You know what? I don't know if I've shared this with you guys, but I think my purpose on earth is to help raise children. Some of the comments are like, how can his mother, you know, do that? Send him to Canada for another woman? Because for one thing, I'm not just another woman. I'm Jen, and I am a woman of God, and I am a good woman who loves him. And this is a better opportunity for him. Brings tears to my eyes because I'm so honored to be his bonus mom, you know. Look at mommy! Are you having fun? Woo! Okay guys, I bought this water tester thingy from Amazon. So, let's see here. This is Brita filter, tap water, and bottled water. Let's see. I don't know how to use this though. Okay, let's see what it says. High purity. Okay, so my Brita filter is high purity because it says 0 to 50 high purity. Okay. Okay, this one is the tap water. So the Brita filter is obviously a little bit better. And this is the bottled water. Let's see. Oh my gosh. That's the bottled water, guys. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's this one. Oh my goodness. What? Babe drinks this all the time. Okay guys, I had to go get a brand new one. This one was in the fridge. I just can't believe this. I have to try another one now. Okay. There must be spit or something in there. Come on now. Oh, no way. You guys, look. This is bottled water, you guys. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. This is crazy. This one was 105. Look, 101 scale formation. What the heck? I ain't drinking no bottled water. I'll take either tap water or, okay, that one's the tap water and this one is the Brita filter. Yeah, I'm good with my Brita. I change my filter every 2 months. Yep. So guys, I just decided to do hot water from the tap, hot water. All right, not bad. I'm actually shocked. It's better than the bottled water. I don't like drinking hot water from the tap because of the contaminants in the hot water tank, but it's better than drinking bottled water. Who knew? Hey guys! So I'm just smiling today because I'm happy that I can finally bring Rajero outside. I mean, it seemed like such a long time that I had to have him locked up in the house. I felt so bad. And Akeen was like, oh, it's fine. He's not gonna die. It won't kill him being in the house. But I just know kids have so much energy and they want to be out playing, right? So I'm very, very happy that the winters here are so good and we're able to take him outside. so he can burn off some of this energy and kick the ball. I'm gonna go get a scooter. We're gonna ride on the scooter. His dad's gone to work. So yeah, this too shall pass. If anyone's going through something right now, and you know, I remember having COVID and thinking, oh my gosh, this is the worst thing ever. And then that passed, right? And then my knee surgery, and I'm told, oh, you can't walk for 6 weeks. I'm like, how am I going to do this? How am I going to take a shower? How am I going to go to the bathroom? How am I going to do anything? And this too shall pass. It's gone. I did it, you know. We can do anything we put our mind to. And things that seem impossible, they're not impossible. And, you know, and now he's out playing again. So, and soon I'll be back to work. And it'll be like I just never even left. So, yeah, go ahead. Go get it, babe. Go get it. So anyway, yeah, we're just out playing. I think we're going to do a vlog tomorrow. I mean, I'm going to add on to this vlog tomorrow. We are going to go to church, and then I'm going to get him into swimming lessons. So we're going to take him swimming. I'm allergic to the chlorine, so I can't get in. So I'm going to see if my friend, his Canada Grandma Sharon, is going to get in with him, just so the lifeguards can kind of assess him and see what level of swimming lessons he needs to be in. And then I'm going to get him in soccer. So that registration is coming up in February as well. So lots of exciting things coming up with Rajero. My birthday's coming up, January 28th. We're going to Vancouver. That's going to be exciting. We've got lots of vlogs planned for that. And then our anniversary, 2nd year anniversary, is coming February 14th. We're going to release the wedding video and stuff like that. So yeah, so lots of good things to come. Thank you again to all our subscribers. We're just, you know, I'm hoping in 2026 we'll reach 10,000 subscribers. That's what I'm hoping. We'll see. It'll be a year come May now that we started doing videos. We started it with pranks. Weren't getting, you know, we had our subscribers from that as well, and but we definitely started getting more since we've been doing our vlogs and cooking and more family oriented traveling and stuff like that vlogs, and people seem to like it better. So that is what we're going to continue doing. You never know, there still might be a little clean fun prank here and there. We'll see. I'm from Newfoundland, and we just love to carry on and joke and have fun. So anyway, I know you guys don't like the ones where he's getting mad and I'm getting mad, so I'll try to stay away from those. But anyways, I wish you guys all a beautiful day, and yeah, stay tuned because we have more to come in this vlog. What's she doing now? Let me see. Show Mom. Show Mom what you're doing. You're blowing bubbles? Oh. You let Mom know when you want to ride your scooter. We'll go get it. It's in the car, okay? Yeah. Okay. Are you excited to go swimming tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah. We were gonna go get his helmet on. That's why I didn't put a hat on, but he got his hood up, so he should be fine. Because when he got his helmet on, he can't put his hat on, so we're gonna go get his helmet there in a minute.
Don't drink it.
Oh my goodness, don't drink that, babe. That's soapy water. It's yucky. Yucky, yucky. Look at Mommy. You having fun with the bubbles?
Yeah.
You let Mommy know when you want to go on the scooter, okay?
Okay.
You know what? I don't know if I've shared this with you guys, but I think my purpose on earth is to help raise children. I've been been doing it my whole life. Ever since I remember, I've been raising children. Since I was like 12 years old, babysitting. People would be going to work for every night, 7 days a week, and I'd be babysitting their child and teaching them how to drink water and instead of all the juice, and to say please and thank you, and to potty train them. And I mean, I'm not going to get through all the kids I'm after help raise, but wow, let me tell you. I honestly thought my next kid would be my grandchild that Jessica may have one day. Who knows, maybe she won't even have one, but God said, nope, I got another one for you. I ain't done with you yet. I'm using your skills. You're getting used. But I do say to God, use me, Lord. Use me in any way you see fit. So I'm here to serve you, Lord, and whatever you have for me. So yeah, I really believe one of my purposes is, one I thought was to help men, because I feel like every man that was ever in my life, I helped them, like, you know, maybe mature, or I don't know, in areas that they possibly needed some help, I guess. Yeah. And I mean, I've certainly helped Akeen, but he's certainly helped me a lot too. Let's say that. But yeah, we're helping each other. So I'm saying right now my purpose is to help raise children, because yeah, I love kids. I love it. I'm good at it, and I really believe that that's my calling. And here I am again, and I love it. I'm smiling, and I love every single minute of it. Trust me. Yeah, and I know there's going to be some ups and downs, because, you know, that's life, but kids bring so much joy to our lives. Some people may not feel that way, but I do. And, you know, some of the comments are like, how can his mother, you know, do that, send him to Canada for another woman? Because, for one thing, I'm not just another woman. I'm Jenn, and I am a woman of God, and I am a good woman who loves him, and this is a better opportunity for him. And his mom talks to him all the time on the phone. They FaceTime. He knows who his mom is, and he's very blessed to have two moms. So some people could never do it, but that's kind of selfish, because you know, God just loans us our children. They're God's, they're not ours. He loans them to us. And you know, if as a mother you see an opportunity to give your child a better life, and to give him things, you know, that could better his life that he couldn't get otherwise, then I think that that mom is the best mom in the world, because she is putting the child before herself. And I think that's a very selfless act. I'm watching, honey. Yeah. So I give a shout out to Norma Lee. I think you're an amazing woman, and I think you're very selfless. I know how much you love Rajero, and I know how hard this is for you and your mom and your whole family. It's like, it brings tears to my eyes, because I'm so honored to be his bonus mom, you know, and to watch him grow, and to show him love, and show him respect, and teach him how to become a good, godly man and a good person, you know. And yeah, so his mom is amazing. And if you can't understand how she could let him come here with another woman to raise her son, then, you know, that's okay. That's all right that you don't understand. But we understand. Norma Lee and I understand exactly what's going on here. He's with his dad. His dad loves him. And I love him so much. And God is in this story. God had appointed all of this, and he is at the forefront, and it takes a strong woman to do that, a selfless woman to do that. And she's giving him a better opportunity. And I pray one day that Norma Lee will be able to be here in Canada and help raise him. But you never know what God has in store, right? But right now, this is what we're doing. And thank God for technology. She can follow our vlogs along, and we can FaceTime, and she can in return better her life by going to school and, you know, whatever she needs to do to better her life as well. So watch out for the car. I don't want you on the road because of the cars, so let's go back this way, okay?
Yeah.
Just in case some cars comes. He loves his scooter. Is it fun? Say that again? Okay. Oh, good boy.
Great weekend.
Yeah. Mommy's just gonna record you. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. You don't have to look back. Mommy's not going anywhere, babe. I promise you, I'm not going anywhere. Hey guys, new day. On our way to church. Say hi. Say good morning, family. You got your ball, yeah. Hey guys, so good morning, good morning. We're just getting to church here now. You ready to go in, babe?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait for mommy. So anyway, yeah, Akeen had to work last night and again today and yesterday. Like, he's working a lot. So he's sleeping right now, and we're gonna go in and yeah, just worship the Lord, and then we're gonna take him for swimming lessons later. So stay tuned. Good morning. Jesus.
I twist a certain way in my back, right?
Yep. Let's go down. You like the rocking chair?
Yeah.
Do you want mommy and daddy to buy you one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, look what we found. Snow. Mommy got no gloves on you or nothing. Oh, wow. Here, let mommy take a picture, Raj. Let mommy take a picture. Hold on. Oh, it's slippery, eh? We'll come back with your boots and your we'll come back with your boots and your gloves, okay? Hold on. Mommy's gonna take a picture. So you just seen snow?
Yeah.
That, guys, that's where they clean off the ice. We're going swimming now, and there's a skating rink in here. So yeah, so that's where they I guess clean off the ice or whatever. So we're going swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah, the trombone, yeah. So we're gonna see to get him in swimming lessons and get him tested to see which level he needs to be in. So, are you excited, Raj?
Yeah.
Going in the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they're building a new pool. See that right there is a great big pool. So we had to come in behind the back. And yeah, good thing Sharon was with me because I would have never have found it. I would have been like, how do I get in here? So there's the skating rink.
That'd be cool for him to try that.
I know, I need to take him skating too. Rajero, where are you going?
I'm going swimming.
You're going swimming? Whoa, how exciting. Look at Mommy. Are you having fun? Woo! So he's not in the first level, he's in the second level. Second level, yeah. They thought first he was in the first level, but once he got all used to it, then they said the second level would be fine, so. Yeah. Woo! Are you having fun? Yeah. So Rajero, did you have fun swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you happy you're in swimming lessons now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To be horse and breath.
Yeah. You're in crab.
Yeah.
You're in level 2.
Yeah.
Because you're a good little swimmer, right? You
Yeah.
can put your head under the water. And what else did you get today? What did you get that's blue that you really wanted? In the water. What did Mommy buy for you? You put on your eyes.
Yeah.
What are they? You put them on your eyes and they're blue.
Yeah.
Rajero, listen. I know, but what did Mommy buy to you today that are blue and it goes on your eyes in the pool? What are they? What did Mommy buy you? Did Mommy buy you goggles?
Yeah.
Mommy bought you goggles?
Yeah.
Yeah. You had fun in the pool with Grandma? Yeah, so that was fun, guys. He had so much fun. Grandma Sharon to the rescue again. Guys, I am severely allergic to, I know I have so many allergies, but what can I do, right? I'm allergic to chlorine. Makes me have itchy ears and itchy throat, and it's just not worth it for me. Like, I go through a couple of days of really severe allergies. I can get in the water. It's not like I'm gonna die or, you know, anything like that, but I do get really itchy throat, really itchy ears, and it does affect my asthma. So yeah, so Grandma Sharon to the rescue, brought him in, and we know that he is not level 1, he's level 2. He had no fear.
Probably level 3 or 4.
Yeah, he's so good. He was putting his eyes in the water, and he was putting his mouth in the water, and yeah, he was jumping in, and oh, he was just doing everything that someone who's not scared of the water was doing. Come this way, honey. So yeah, there's where the snow is, guys, way over in the corner over there somewhere. Where is it? I don't even know where I'm at. Over there somewhere. At every skating rink, there's snow, because that's when they clean off the ice, right? Yeah, and so guys, I would have gotten more videos of him in the swimming pool, but you're not allowed to. I'm lucky I got the clip I got, because you're not allowed to do any recording or anything in the pool. So the lifeguard came over and said, no filming, no, nothing like that. So I was lucky I got a 1 or 2 clips. I can't remember now, but anyways, yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna go home now and get him into bed, or get him into his PJs anyway, maybe watch some TV. So anyway, we had a good day, guys. Hope you all stay blessed and continue to support us. We love you. We thank you. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Blessings.
The kids are inside the playground.
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 The sun is over the mountains.
The sun is over the mountain.
Be careful you don't cut your fingers, Papa. Just cut the paper, okay?
The sun is over the mountains.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?